Are you contemplating a change in scenery? How about you give Delaware a chance? With its beautiful beaches, historical significance, and exciting cultural attractions, it might just be the fresh start you're looking for. Live the lifestyle of your dreams in your dream home. The Reybold Group offers premier residential communities with more than just quality. It's about the people we care about and the communities we call neighbors.
I'm Jerome Heisler with the Reybold Group, a real estate development company located in Newcastle County, Delaware. We were started back in the early 70s, and now we're into the second generation myself, and my son hopefully will be coming into the business in the next year or two. We apply modern management techniques to our business to study the community we're in, and as a result, we're able to distill information and design our communities and commercial product to look at the best trends and also plan for the future. We take the long-term view over designing a product to make sure it has adequate size and massing so we can repurpose it 10 and 20 years out. The pillars of Reybold are first, be sensitive to the community and the environment, ensure that they are always in a compatible framework. Second, focus on our team, our employees, to ensure that they have adequate resources and the proper support of management through empowerment and facilitation. We want to also provide the best product out there with the highest ethical standards.
It was important that we recognized that the Reybold Group, after being around for 50 years, was a company that people knew. But we needed to encapsulate that by increasing our geographical footprint. And we did that by recreating our brand, establishing identity, being authentic to the visuals that we represented, while at the same time understanding who our consumer is. The goal was to drive people to Delaware because it is a tax-free state. It also has the benefits of being close to New York, Philadelphia, New Jersey, and Baltimore. So if you're looking for a 1, 2, 3 or bedroom apartment, we offer those opportunities in our 5 rental communities. There are multiple reasons why I believe people are moving to Delaware. One is that the cost of living is far less. Delaware being a tax-free state is also another reason. Its location, its availability to great schools and great rentals. You have the opportunity in Delaware to rent, to own, and have it in a situation that allows you to make financial growth for your own life in your own personal style. The great thing about Columbia Place and most of our Delaware residential communities, it gives you the opportunity to live your best life in the style that you want and have accessibility to all the things that make your life great. We have 5 rental communities: St. Andrews, Meridian, Ascot, Dotson, and MH Reybold, all of them offering a variety of options from single family to townhomes to 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms, where our manufactured homes also offer the mobile home existence if that's what you choose. The reality is that we have all the offerings, whether you're a single person, a family, or a roommate looking to move into a new place, we have the offerings for you. In 2023, we opened a new division called Ply Coworking. That was a result of what has happened in 2019, when offices required you no longer to come into the office. We realized that that was going to be a big opportunity for us because so many people are working from homes, so are their families, and the choice of them to have to work in home or to maybe go to a private office space and rent it month to month became a great consideration for us. And Ply is the new place that people want to go if you want to have a private office space.
From materials to design, every Reybold home and community built proudly reflects their commitment to quality.
Columbia Place is located in Wilmington, North, and it's about halfway distance between New York and Baltimore. Columbia Place has a lot of great amenities. The exterior amenities include trash and snow removal and weekly landscaping maintenance done during the warmer months. The design elements of the home are French country architect on the exteriors with copper gutters and mahogany. The interior amenities include engineered hardwood throughout the majority of the main home, quartz and granite as options, as well as KitchenAid stainless steel appliances and custom handcrafted cabinetry. Great thing at Columbia Place is we have a design center. Most builders send their customers to flooring, cabinet, and countertop vendors. We do one-stop shopping here. So the buyers come and meet with me, and we create a personalized experience for them. The wonderful thing about the design aesthetics here at Columbia Place is customers get to pull all of their options, put it up on the shelf, and really get to see their palettes come to life. Columbia Place is great and unique in that we have a wonderful clubhouse that has a great common area for gatherings, a full functioning kitchen that is ADA compliant, as well as a smart technology gym.
Reybold communities are designed to be environmentally friendly, to blend with nature, and to use as many environmentally friendly products as possible. We build here at Columbia Place with naturally quarried stone from a local quarry. We use hardy plank, mahogany for shutters and for our columns. We have copper gutters, Grand Manor shingles, Pella windows, all designed to be a low maintenance, long-term investment for our customers. In our materials here, we try to utilize new technology. We're using open web truss designs to ensure that all of our ductwork and all of our systems are inbound in our homes. We work very closely with our trade bases to ensure a quality built home in a timely manner. We focus on quality and not on quantity. We take our time building our homes to ensure that everything is done properly and that we use the best materials possible. Columbia Place is unique in the fact that we use very high-end materials on the outside with very low maintenance, all designed to be above what anyone else is using. The homes here at Columbia Place are walked daily by the superintendent as well as by myself to ensure that every facet that the customer is looking for, every selection they've made, and everything that they want to be in their home is installed and done properly. Part of the process is that the customer sits with the design team, selecting everything they want in their home, and then they sit with myself and the superintendent, and we go over every aspect of what they've picked, ensuring that what they want is what they are going to get in our homes.
Elevate your living space and prepare for a new beginning. Consider the many reasons why a Reybold Group community could be the ideal place to call home.
The future growth plans for Reybold are to continue building communities and commercial and industrial product in concert with our community and environment so that ergonomically, when someone's in the space, they feel positive and feel healthy and safe.
To find out more about Reybold Group, visit Reybold.com and designingspaces.tv.